far. Sun protector is important to protect our skin from getting sunburn, especially when we've been exposed to climate change and global warming. Climate is the average weather of a region and the long-term pattern of weather condition. Climate change is the change in the average weather of a region or zone. Global warming can be defined as an increment of the Earth's atmospheric and ocean temperatures that is thought to be a result of air pollution. NASA has recorded that since the late 19th century, the planet's average surface temperature has risen about 2.0 Fahrenheit or 1.1 degrees Celsius. There are many causes that lead to the changes in the temperature, such as the increase of the greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, and other human-made emissions into the atmosphere that can kill anyone and anytime. As the year passed by, many agencies and authorities have done their job in order to prevent global warming from becoming worse, but some of them met the failure. Various challenges have been faced by them, and the objective couldn't be achieved as well. Regarding to this problem, the authorities should move one step higher and improve their skills and knowledge in order to invent the best solution to cope with climate change and global warming. So let's see the issues, challenges, and solutions to climate change and global warming.
Global warming is a phenomena of greenhouse gases trapped heat radiating from Earth towards space. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and nitrous oxide are collected in the atmosphere, then act like a mirror and reflect back to the Earth as a part of the heat radiation, which would otherwise be lost to the space. The more concentration of greenhouse gases, the more heat energy are being reflected and causing the increase of world temperature. The entire gases mostly come from the uncontrolled human activity, like burning of fossil fuel, agriculture, and industry. Global warming can cause temperature to increase around the world. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the average global temperature has increased about 0.8 degrees Celsius. Increase in the temperature can lead to the ice melting. The melting of permafrost can lead to the landslide and also sudden land collapse. Once the ice melts were covered, the melting polar ice in the Arctic and Antarctic regions, combined with the melting ice sheet and glacier across Greenland, North America, South America, Europe, and Asia, it will lead to the rising of sea level significantly. In 2014, sea level rise accelerate 3 mm per year on average worldwide, which is reported by World Meteorological Organization. Besides with the extreme weather, some areas are experiencing the hottest summer, but in the United States, they are experiencing colder winter than normal. Other than cold or heat extreme, the formation of hurricanes also will change. Hurricanes will become more frequently occur and also more intense because it gets energy from the temperature difference between the warm tropical ocean and the cool upper atmosphere, where global warming increase that temperature difference. And climate change also will give effect to the animal and plants lifestyle.
Now, let's see the challenges for the existing solution. In the last few years, several solutions have been proposed by the authorities to mitigate the climate change and global warming issues that we are facing now. However, various types of challenges from many sources cause the failure of the suggested solution. Firstly, in Las Vegas, Nevada, alternative fuels programs have been proposed to replace the non-renewable sources and at the same time reduce the greenhouse gas emission. Unfortunately, this solution cannot be pursued because it is difficult to be done at minimum discounted costs. Next, practices such as uncontrolled open-air burning of waste tire is one of the causes of the increasing temperature which driven into global warming. From this situation, the authority has made a move by providing background information for addressing the climate change or global warming to all people. However, this uncontrolled open-air burning of waste tires is popularly practiced during the political agitation. They show that when the political agitation happens in certain area, more people tend to show their dissatisfaction by destroying some of the facilities that have been provided and even burning the waste tires. Besides giving background information about redressing climate change and global warming, another solution that have been done to improve the issue are by conducting remote sensing technology. Remote sensing is the science of obtaining information about the objects or areas from a distance, typically from the aircraft or satellites. Just like the other solutions, remote sensing technology also facing some challenges when it is difficult to obtain information on current patterns of energy and use, and also difficult to evaluate the possible future trends in countries with economics in transition. Equally important as giving background information about redressing climate change and global warming, background monitoring and long-range transport of atmospheric CFC-11 and CFC-12 also have been done. CFC is an organic compound that contains carbon, chlorine and fluorine, which produce as volatile derivative of methane and ethane. Even so, this solution does not show continuous positive impacts because currently the usage of CFCs grow enormously as refrigerants in air conditioners and refrigerators, aerosol repellents, and agents for blowing polyurethane foam.
Mimi, sorry about just now.
Oh, it's okay.
Mimi, can I ask you something about global warming?
Yes, for sure.
Do you have any solution to reduce global warming that we are facing now?
Oh, here I have these several suggestions, which are climate change and global warming are not hard to be tackled if everyone gives the best cooperations and support the healthy earth. Use less energy and water. Also, plant more trees so that carbon dioxide can be absorbed from the atmosphere. We should learn more about the earth and its climate because we will be able to help solve problems related to the climate change. When we have enough knowledge about the earth and know the climate works, reuse, reduce, recycle.
Hi.